Hi, second graders. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to be writing some prompts for the month of June. This is day one of it. So if you look at this picture, I see sunshine, I see a sand castle, and I also see sunglasses. So I'm thinking this has to do with a certain season. So let's see, can't be winter because I don't see a snowman. It can't be fall. I don't see any fallen leaves or anything like that. Can't be spring either because I don't see any flowers. So I'm thinking this has to do with the season summer. Okay, so now getting back to summer, the sentence prompt today is going to be my dream summer vacation is. So now let's look at these pictures here and let's see what my dream vacation is. So here is a picture of my family. There's me, there's my husband, and these are my two kids. So we're going to jump on an airplane. And as we're going on the airplane, we're going to go to the state of Florida. So I wonder what can possibly happen in Florida. It's a really hot state. It's very tropical. Let's see what happens. Oh, in this next picture, I see a castle. So what could be, where is there a place in Florida where there's a beautiful castle? Ah, right next to it, I see Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Where could that possibly be? So right here, we're going to go choose one. Do you think my dream summer vacation is the park? Do you think I'm going to Disney World? Or do you think I'm going camping? If you guessed Disney World, you are correct. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be writing about today. I'm going to choose my dream vacation is Disney World. Okay, when we write today, we will make sure to use the sentence starter at the beginning of your sentence. So our sentence starter today is my dream summer vacation is. We have to give a reason why this is your dream summer vacation. So please, boys and girls, do not end the sentence with my dream summer vacation is the park. We can't do that. You need to add more and tell me why, okay? And then you're going to add some details to your paragraph. So these are the three things we're going to do today. Okay, so here is my paragraph right here. So I started with my sentence starter. My dream summer vacation is, and if you remember, I said Disney World. Okay, so what else can I say about Disney World? I want to say I want to go to Disney World because I want to see Epcot Center. I heard Epcot Center has all of the countries in it, and there are a lot of amazing things to do and delicious food to eat. Let me see so far. My dream summer vacation is Disney World. I want to go to Disney World because I want to see Epcot Center. I heard Epcot Center has all of the countries in it, and there are a lot of amazing things to do and delicious food to eat. I can't wait to jump on an airplane to go to Florida and arrive at Disney World. Okay, boys and girls, what do you think? So far I have my sentence starter here. I give my reasons here. Okay, and I give all these details here. So I think it sounds pretty good. What do you guys think? Okay, so now here on this page, I want you guys to come up with your own summer vacation. So you get to choose anything from this list, or you can come up with your own ideas. That's totally fine. So here, some ideas I came up with to help you is your summer vacation. Maybe you're going to the beach this summer. And if you choose the beach, you can talk about going to the ocean, seeing the sand, making all sand castles, things like that, okay? Swimming in the ocean. So just give a lot of details. Great Adventure is in New Jersey, and actually in Great Adventure, you can go on a lot of awesome rides. You can also, there's a safari there. I don't know if you guys knew about that. I think now what you can do is you can sit in your car and drive down in Six Flags and see all these cool animals from your car. So you can do that. That could be part of your summer vacation. You could also go to a water park. I don't know if you guys ever have done that, but it's really fun. You're going down a lot of slides, a lot of water rides. It's really a ton of fun. So you could choose that as your summer vacation, thing to do. And then there's also camping. I've personally never been camping, but I hear it's so much fun. I know you can swim in lakes, you can sleep outside in tents. I mean, it's just really amazing and you could really enjoy nature. So those are some amazing things you could do this summer, or you can choose your own topic. Also, the other thing to remind you before you get started, please, boys and girls, use this checklist. Okay, I'm going to actually put this in the class story today so you guys can remember to add these things. But remember, you're going to include your sentence starter. You're going to give a reason why this is your dream vacation, and you need to add some details. And if you see, my paragraph was only about 5 or 6 sentences. You don't have to write any more than that. Okay, boys and girls, good luck. I can't wait to see what your writing is today. Okay, good luck.